Good morning. Today, inshallah, our lesson about analyze translation. First, and before we start, we want to know what is transformation. Transformation means I will move or change position or size or direction of any shape. Transformation has three cases. First, when we change the position with the same direction, we call it translation. Translation. What is translations? For example, I have this triangle. This triangle moved to another place. Move to the right, move down here, or right and up at the same time. So we move only position of the shape, but with the same direction and same size. Second one, when we change a position also, but with the different direction. Reflection means I have axis, my shape flip across this axis. So my triangle become with a different direction, not the same. Must here have a line, my shape reflect across this line. Third one, rotation. Rotation, this is my triangle. We turn it around fixed point. So we turn my triangle around fixed point, not line, point. Last kind of transformation is dilation. Dilation make my shape, for example here, my triangle become bigger or smaller, depend on what? Depend scale factor. My scale factor whole number, like for example 2, 3, 10, 100 become bigger. If it's less than 1, between 0 to 1, 1 out of 2, 1 out of 4 for example, it will become smaller. Let's start first exercise here. I have this shape and I need to translation. Our lesson about translation, how we move shape from place to place. And the whole lesson is about two kind of questions. First one, it give me shape, any shape, and ask me to move it. The second one, it's already move the shape and ask me to know how many units up or down and so on. Let's read the question first. Graph G prime, we call picture of any shape prime, G prime, A prime, A prime, M prime. The image of the shape GRAM after a translation 11 units right and 2 units up. So easy to work. 11 units right and 2 up. First, and before you start, please check your coordinate plane. Skip by 2 or by 1 to know how you count. Here, 2, 4, 6, 8. So my coordinate plane skip by 2. And I need now to skip 11 steps. Start with 1 point only to don't confuse yourself. 1 or 2, no, it's 2 because between -4 and -2, 2 steps. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 11. It must be between 8 and 6. So here 11. This is to the right. What about up? From my point, I will go up 2 steps. So this is my first A prime. Instead of try to same with the second one to don't confuse myself, I will count here. Between A and R, 1.5. So I will draw, this is half and this is 1. Here it's R prime. and erase my path. Do the same with M. 11 to the right. Between here, M in half. So between half and -4 is 1. Then -4 and 2, 2. So 1, 2 become 3. 3 and 2, 5, 7, 9, 11. This is 11 step to the right and 2 to the up. So I will go up 2. Here is M prime. And we will do the same here between M and G. Unit and half. So I will count unit and half unit here. So this is G prime. Connect between them. This is the first kind of my question. The second kind of the questions, it's already here. I have this triangle ABC, and I have also a picture of this triangle. The image is A prime, B prime, C prime. We call it prime. The picture of A prime, B prime, C prime. So it's already here. It asked me about describe. Describe means how many units up or down. How many units left or to the right. Choose any point you wanted. So I will choose B and B prime. Draw a line, straight line between B and B prime. Must be straight line to the left and up. Now count them. First, my shape, my coordinate plane. Skip by 1 or 2, skip by 1. So easy. Here, 1 unit to the left. And let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. Which triangle is image of triangle DEF? Which one? Sure, HGI, no, because the direction different. Here also direction of my triangle. It must be the same direction. Triangle with the same, because it's only move. So the picture of my triangle DEF, it's what? MNO. Okay,